National Weather Service in Little Rock has issued a tornado warning for west central Lincoln County in southeast Arkansas, southwestern Jefferson County in southeast Arkansas, southeastern Dallas County in southwest Arkansas, northern Cleveland County in southeast Arkansas, until 8:15 p.m. At 7:22 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado. This severe storm was located 2 miles northwest of Fordyce. Doppler radar showed this severe storm moving northeast at 55 miles per hour. In addition to the tornado, this storm is capable of producing large damaging hail up to golf ball size. Locations in the path of this dangerous storm include Rison, Grays Lake, Fordyce, Toledo, Nebo, Kingsland, Kedron, Feeneyville, Yorktown, Terry, Saves, Randall, Payne-Ebergen, Palmyra, Ladd, Ivan, Griffith Spring, Glen Lake. This includes Interstate 530 between mile markers 41 and 46.